Me being in the Highlands, it's a wonderful environment. It's open, it's free, there's so much space, and you're really getting in touch with nature with very little development around you. I'm Dr. Dave Hudson and I organised the Rewilding Scotland field trip. Vast expanses of land need something. They need management and they need all these different things, and over the course of 2 weeks we get really the decisions that go into every aspect of managing that to make sure that firstly it's doing its absolute best for the environment, but also it's generating income, generating jobs and keeping everyone going. This trip is mostly about meeting the people that are involved with land decisions, land management, stakeholders, future employers, to build up this picture of what goes on, particularly in the Highlands, but also nationwide, how people go about different rewilding projects, generate income from these large estates. And that can be anything from single owners, community buyout projects, farmers, fisheries, salmon farmers, yeah, all sorts. Students on the Rewilding field trip gain a whole host of skills. They get to meet different stakeholders and understand the decisions people have to make to generate income, but in the most sustainable way. Get to meet potential employers, do some peat surveying work within this conservation sector and get a real insight into what jobs in this area involve, which will line them up beautifully for later in life for jobs. We'd normally get sighting of otter, of eagles, of hen harriers, huge flocks of geese. The Cairngorm National Park, which is stunning. Cairngorm is a lovely hike and really beautiful. We've seen badgers and pine martins, also coastal locations, and get up and close with some bottlenose dolphins, whales. So it's fantastic to really experience something which is wonderful in the UK.